For our summary of challenges, we have a lot of challenges and struggle along the way. First is the coding of the prototype. We use numerous codes for the project. There are various times that our code is not functioning. Additionally, it was the cause why we weren't able to pass our project on time. But because of our determination, we were able to present and finish our project neatly.
For our future improvements, we would improve our prototype to locate where the earthquake happened. Additionally, another improvement is how it notifies our cell phones during the earthquake. It will be unlike usual alert which is through text. The alert will pop up directly through the cell phone while vibrating with an alarm sound. Hence, this would definitely be a great step for enhancement and improvement for a better prototype.